Hello, my name is Matthew with Profit Pivot, and today we're going to go into LinkedIn Sales Navigator and talk about what account saved searches are and build out an account list. So, the thing with LinkedIn Sales Navigator is it is a way to efficiently filter your feed and get in front of the businesses that you want to prospect the most. Maybe this is something, a list you provide to your marketing team, your sales team. These are the companies that you want to work with. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you a quick, simple way and take the next 5 minutes to just build out an account list. And then we can follow those people and do a couple cool things with it. And it is really simple to set up. Also, it's something that you can set up with your first LinkedIn Sales Navigator trial and just take a peek at whether or not this will be an effective tool for your teams or for an individual. All right, so let's dive in. First, you'll see Sales Navigator has a pretty easy user interface, but it's a little confusing. So we're just going to go to Save Searches, and you'll see we have nothing saved yet. So we'll go to Account, and we're going to start a search. We can filter by all of these different filters. So, if you have an annual revenue target that you're trying to hit, if there's a specific number of employees you need, if you're in HR, accounting, and we can filter by headquarters. So that's what we're going to start off first. We're going to go Canada for this part. And I want to include Canada, and I want to include the US. All right. So now I have those two things, and for the industry, I'm going to just put this as, I don't know if they'll have, they do. So golf courses and country clubs all throughout Canada and the United States. And I just want to see if they have any senior leadership changes in the last 3 months. The reason why I want to check out if they have any senior leadership changes is because those are typically the leaders and industry movers that are actually trying to make changes in the companies that they start at. So they might be more open to have conversations around technology and such. So we'll go with that. None, unfortunately. All right. What we're going to do then is just go by technologies used, and we want to see a list. You can actually filter by different technologies. So if you're looking for a HubSpot provider, you can see which courses are on HubSpot, WordPress, Elementor. There's a ton of different ideas that you can put into there. But for this lead list, we're just going to kind of make it simple. It's Canada and US, golf courses and country clubs. And I see that there is 1,000 results. And we are just going to now go at the very bottom of this beauty. And we're going to save this search just at the top here. Now you can see manage save search, but I want to add all of these into a list. So I'm going to save it to a list, and I'm going to create a new list. And the new list is going to be golf and country clubs in North America. So cool thing about this, now I'm just going to go over to my accounts after I hit save to list again, see that they're in there. Now that the search is saved and I've saved them, I can go over to my accounts and I will see the different account lists that I have. It'll show you all of the companies that you have saved. But for this, I'm just going to go show you guys the one that we did. We're back in the Golf and Country Club, and you'll see that all of these are filled out, and we can add notes, but then there should also be lead recommendations that kind of come. So if we change our personas that we saved, you'll actually notice that we could go all employees. and then it shows kind of who the general manager is or who they think is the most likely to be a decision maker or a lead recommendation. So right from the account side, I can save these to a custom list as well. So this is going to be your lead list. So we'll create a new list. Golf course management North America. Decision makers of golf courses across North America. Perfect. We'll create and save that. All right, and then we'll just add in the general manager ones. Probably not going to go with for the photographer. Director of operations sounds great. Yoga instructor, probably not. Director of standards and ratings, that sounds like a good lead. Director of golf, perfect. Vice president of operations, sounds like a good contact. Outside pro shop, maybe not the best one, but could be. So all of these are just getting saved to that golf course management list lead list, and we'll go in and we'll see after what the purpose of this was. So now we have this account list if we're targeting golf courses in North America, and then we'll have a lead list that demonstrates, how we have that. And now why this is important and why this is a really great feature is because now when I go to the homepage in Sales Navigator, I can actually look by my account list, and I can go to the golf and country clubs. I see that no one of the 25 clubs that I have has posted, but I can close that out, and I can go by lead list, and I can look at this. And typically you'll see, like as you've seen on my home feed, this is all of the companies that I'm kind of viewing or managing and their lead lists and everything that they're posting about. So now instead of jumping into your feed and trying to comment and actually find all of these customers, you can just go, okay, Tim Autry shared a post. I can view the post. And it'll show me exactly kind of what the post is and all the things that it's talking about. And then you can just go like, add a comment. Can't spell fundamental, but that's a problem for its own. Then I comment on that. Now Tim Autry knows my name. I didn't DM him. I didn't, spam him. I just made a comment on a post that he thought, hey, this is valuable enough information to share. So I hope this helps you understand lead lists and account lists and just how to do save searches on the account side of LinkedIn.